it's raining again today. I never understood why you chose to stay in a climate that's mostly wet and gray, when what you loved was a sun so hot it turned the green grass brown, and the rain keeps falling down. I thought the sky would cry itself dry by this time. Thought that I would see the sun by now. One more tear might wash away this God-forsaken town, but the rain keeps falling down. Who am I? A regular kind of guy. I never let the clouds clutter up my sky. Learned to party, but never learned to cry. And even now my tears won't move. They're painted like a clown, and the rain keeps falling down. I wish that I could let go, like a storm cloud, burst through the dam like a flood, breaking down. Heaven seems to weep with far less reason, but I can't cry at all. The sky would cry itself dry by this time. Thought that I would see the sun by now. One more tear might wash away this God-forsaken town, but the rain keeps falling down. Yes, the rain keeps falling